Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. And to create a Remaker AI account, just simply head over to remaker.ai and use your Gmail to quickly sign in or sign up. And once you're inside, you get 30 credits as a new user to get started. Now, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on the section that says AI Photo Enhancer. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and simply choose AI image upscaler, and within there you'll get the option to basically choose the enhance option, which is the third option here. Now all you have to do is simply upload the image of your choice, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply choose one image here of myself, which is that image here, and I'm going to show you what the image looks like, the original image actually looks like, so that you can have a general idea of what this image look like. So this is the original image, and we will see the result afterwards. Now, once you do that and add the image, is going to start the process for you, as you can see there. And all you have to do is just wait a couple of seconds for it to improve the quality of the image. And you're going to be surprised. Now, this is it, guys. And I'm going to quickly download it so that you can see. Let's open up that and so you can have a quick look. Now, look at the quality of the image. That is really cool. So this is how you can quickly go ahead and enhance your image. And if I zoom in, you can see the detail, the level, the quality, guys. It's unbelievable. It's really, really unbelievable, the quality that you can get with this AI tool. So that's it, guys. If you're looking for ways how to enhance or upscale your image, you can use Remarker AI to actually do that for you. All you have to do is simply create your account, sign in, and you can go to the AI photo enhancer and choose to upscale image. You can choose to do it in batch if you want to upscale it, but if you want to enhance it, just simply go ahead, click on the upscale, click to the enhance section, and you can do it. What I recommend as well, that you can even do the upscale first to upscale it. And as you can see in fine details, what does the upscale do? The upscale basically enlarge your image without losing the quality, so that's going to make it huge. And if you do that, then you can do the finer touch by enhance it after. So upscale it, then enhance it. It's going to take your images to a whole new level of quality. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.